Hello everyone, I am Mofizul Islam, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering. The course subject is Air Conditioning and Refrigeration. I have discussed in my last video the topic Vapor Compression Refrigeration System. The left part will be covered in this video lecture. Different vapor compression refrigeration system with respect to state of the refrigerant. If output of compressor is dry saturated vapor, you can see here the inlet of compressor is wet vapor. There are no superheated zone. The refrigerant effect is low. Next, if output of compressor is superheated vapor, see the diagram, TS diagram, temperature versus entropy. The number 2 point, that is the outlet of compressor, and on, that is inlet of compressor. At the point on, the state of the refrigerant is saturated vapor. Little more refrigerant effect in this refrigeration system. So these are the refrigeration system, VCRS system, with respect to state of the refrigerant and different types of refrigerant. For the pressure enthalpy diagram, 4 to on, this is cooling effect. If output of compressor is wet vapor, number 2 is the output of compressor, that is wet vapor. Point number 1, that is also wet vapor. So here the refrigerance effect is compared to low. There are no superheated zone. Now I want to tell you that in VCRS we always prefer dry compressor over wet compression, because liquid particle present in the mixture of refrigerant may wash away the lubricant oil, and the liquid particle may damage the wall of the compressor. If input of compressor is superheated vapor, that is point number 1, you can see the diagram, and outlet of the compressor is also a superheated vapor. So the zone, superheated zone, is very much area, and refrigerant effect is compared to more. There are two constant pressure, that is condensation pressure and evaporator pressure. If output of condenser is subcooled liquid, that is the point number 3 dash to 3, that is subcooled liquid. where the outlet of the condenser meet the saturated liquid line, or maybe it passes the or it crosses the saturated liquid line and condense to liquid. The refrigeration effect is high in this system. There are also a superheated zone in this system. Now come to the point, factors affecting COP of VCR system. There are many factors those affects the COP of the system. First of all, effect of suction pressure. Decreasing the evaporation pressure or evaporative pressure, work required will be increased, refrigeration effect will decrease, hence COP decrease. The formula of COP is equal to refrigeration effect by power work input. You can see the diagram here also. So if refrigeration effect is decreasing and work input is increasing, obviously COP will decrease. Next, effect of decreasing the condenser pressure means increasing the condenser pressure. Here 2 to 3, that is condenser pressure, and after increasing it reaches 2 dash to 3 dash. So refrigeration effect decreases, work required increase, hence COP decrease. Effect of evaporator and condenser temperature. Evaporator temperature decreases and condenser temperature increases here, then the result get work required increases, very much increases. Look at the diagram, and refrigeration effect decreases, hence COP decreases. Effect of superheated vapor after evaporation. So the refrigeration effect here refrigeration effect will increase and work required also increase. Hence COP may decrease or increase, it depending upon the refrigerant. For refrigerant R12, the COP will increase, and for refrigerant NH3 ammonia, the COP will decrease. At here there are mistake that refrigerant effect decrease here, but it will be refrigeration effect will increase. Okay. Effect of subcooling, that is the position 3 to 3 days. So obviously refrigeration refrigerating effect increase, and here no change in work input, so COP will increase. There are some advantages in this system. These are smaller size for capacity of refrigeration, less running cost, large range of temperatures available, high COP, less complex in design and operation. There are some disadvantages also: high initial cost and leakage of refrigerant. So thank you for this session. I am ending this session here.